All right. I made a tweet that said, please stop with the Hitler reacts to. We've seen them all. I get linked Hitler reacts to Docker at least twice a week for my entire life. But now, someone made Hitler reacts to me. So let us go.
Es ist dem Feind gelungen, die Front in breiter Formation zu durchbrechen. Im Süden hat der Gegner Zossen genommen und stößt auf Stahnsdorf vor.
PHP has been steadily declining. This is a fact. Okay? This is a fact, but it also has Laravel, greatest thing in the universe.
Der Feind operiert jetzt am nördlichen Stadtrand zwischen Frohnau und Pankow. Und im Osten ist der Feind bis zur Linie Lichtenberg, Karlshorst gelangt.
Did you see that? W3 servers just said that server usage went from 81% to 76%. Dude, there's so much PHP out there. Like, it's hard to even reconcile how much actual PHP there is. It's like painfully large. And it just keeps, it's just so much.
Mit dem Angriff Steiners wird das alles in Ordnung kommen.
Mein Führer.
It's going to be me, isn't it? I am going to be the PHP. I am going to be the PHP recommender, aren't I?
Steiner.
PHP really isn't that bad anymore. Like, real talk, PHP is not bad anymore. PHP has gotten absolutely, like, incredible over the last few years.
Steiner konnte nicht genügend Kräfte für einen Angriff massieren. Der Angriff Steiner ist nicht erfolgt.
Even said PHP. Okay, I did. Okay, to be fair, when I said PHP is better than JavaScript, I mostly say that because JavaScript Andes can't get over the fact that JavaScript isn't used for everything. They're so stuck in this idea that JavaScript must be used for everything that they can't foresee a world in which maybe there's better languages. And so it's fun to say the worst possible language as a replacement. Like, you can't, it's not a good trade-off.
Es bleiben im Raum Keitel, Jodel.
All right, who here's, type 1 in the chat if you use Laravel, Cake, PHP, or Zend. Right now, type 1 in the chat. We have a shocking amount of non-zeros. Let's go. Let's go.
Krebs und Burgdorf.
Das war ein Befehl! Der Angriff Steiners war ein Befehl!
To be fair, I spent 2 years attempting to get really good at Rust. And I learned a lot. I learned quite a bit getting good with Rust. To be completely fair. Fair statement, Hitler. Fair statement.
Hey! Wer schickt Sie? Dass Sie es wagen, sich meinen Befehl zu widersetzen! Oh, weit ist das alles gekommen.
PHP is decisive. It's fair. It's fair. PHP's new type system isn't even based off Hindley Milner. It's true, but it is close. It looks close. It's like a convenient version of it.
Das Militär hat mich belogen! Jeder hat mich belogen, sogar die SS! Die gesamte Generalität ist in 2000 Haufen niederträchtiger Träume!
Hold on. There was like a little hidden note in there. Did you see that?
Haufen
Oh, it's just this one. He was supposed to fight for Rust.
niederträchtiger Treuloser Feiglinge!
Mein Führer, ich kann nicht zulassen, dass die Soldaten, die
He
für
also
Sie
says Golang's a great language.
Feiglinge! Verreiter, Versager!
You know what the best part about this is? Is that when you tell somebody Golang's a great language, they actually become this intense. Golang's a great language? Like, they can't even handle... They can't... The average software engineer either loves Golang or they cannot handle the fact that somebody likes Golang.
Mein Führer, was Sie da sagen, ist ungeheuerlich.
It does have generic sound.
Generalität ist das Geschmeiß des deutschen Volkes!
Okay, that last statement was very fair. This is actually all JavaScript's fault. This is...
Mein Führer,
Oh,
was Sie da
I
sagen,
went
ist
back too far.
ungeheuerlich.
Die Generalität ist das Geschmeiß des deutschen Volkes. Sie ist ohne...
This is all JavaScript. This is all JavaScript's fault. This is what happens. This is what happens when the world goes JavaScript.
Sie nennen sich Generale, weil sie Jahre auf Militärakademien zugebracht haben.
Isomorphic code, my ass. I cannot tell you who here lived through the 2018 era of coding with JavaScript. How many times did you hear the term isomorphic? Remember isomorphic and just like this promise? Oh my gosh. Like so many times. It was like a buzz. Dude, isomorphic was the synergy of of like devs. It just was constant. I know we make fun of these people that have like these business talks that all use these like very similar words, but man, programming does the exact same thing, and isomorphic was it. All this used server garbage. Okay, I'm actually on that team. Hooks were supposed to make my code cleaner, but it just made it even harder to debug my code. The best part is once you get real algebraic effects, you also find them inconvenient. I mean, I hate to break this to you, but all programming sucks, okay? All programming in the end is just so damn inconvenient. Is this Pick? This is Pick. Okay, first off, decorators are actually awful. Decorators and proxies. There has been no greater bamboozling into programming and debugging than decorators and proxies. Change my mind. Change my mind. Change my mind. Why would you make indirection easier? I love proxies, yeah, and nobody loves to debug proxies. Okay? Nobody loves to debug them. Oh, sure, they sound like a great solution. And then you do that, and then you start debugging them, and you're like, you know what? Fuck this. This is outrageous. Debugging this is crazy. Imagine a decorator that somehow gets into proxy land and all of that. Like, you could go nuts on this stuff, and it's crazy. Skill issues, oh my gosh. But the problem is that every time I see a problem that a proxy could solve, I love it. Oh man, I want it so bad. I want it so bad. That's the worst part, is that it just somehow feels so juicy. It feels so juicy. You know it does. You know it feels juicy to use, though. W3 outstanding on Bluetooth support that no one uses. I love that he's upset about the observable pattern. Come on, observables! Now I actually miss the days of Adobe Flash. Yeah, I mean, Action Script 3. You know, TypeScript's only just catching up to the past of 2011. You know that, right? That JavaScript and TypeScript are just like maybe sort of there. At least back then I felt like a god. I like tweening pages. That's right. I should have known when he said it. Zig's actually a great language. I'm shocked at how much I'm enjoying Zig. For being a language that's only moderately more convenient than C, it is shockingly convenient. It's shockingly convenient.
Betrogen worden. Es wurde ein ungeheurer Verrat geübt am deutschen Volke. Aber alle diese Verräter werden bezahlen. Mit ihrem eigenen Blut werden sie...
Okay, Jay. By the way, Jay Phelps wrote this, I believe. Okay, that hurts a little. Okay, that hurts a little bit.
Bezahlen. Sie werden es saufen in ihrem eigenen Blut.
Pandering to all the YouTube comments. YouTube, real talk YouTube. How does that feel? Oh, I still have top chat on here. Let me go to live chat. YouTube, how do you feel about me pandering to you guys and not Twitch? Look at this. They can't even respond. We're mentioned. Hell yeah, finally, great. I don't know. Do it more. Good. Okay, enough of that crap. Shut up. Shut up, YouTube.
Bitte gerne.
Don't worry, Web.
Beruhig dich doch.
This is actually really hilarious. This is actually really hilarious. I really hope that revolution does come. I really do.
Meine Befehle sind in den Wind gesprochen.
Let's see if I can get alert to go.
Welcome to Costco. I love you.
Es ist unmöglich, unter diesen Umständen zu führen. Es ist aus. Der Krieg ist verloren.
Oh, Fireship's based. He just, I love that. I love how uncomfortable everybody is.
Aber wenn Sie, meine Herren, glauben, dass ich
There's
das
always
Berlin
hack lag.
verlasse, irren Sie sich gewaltig. Eher jage ich mir eine Kugel durch den Kopf. Tun Sie, was Sie wollen.
Let's just update to PHP 8. That was so good. That was so good. That was so dang good. First off, Jay, you did a great job. Jay,
Es ist
go
dem
follow
Feind gelungen,
Jay.
die Front in breiter
Go follow Jay. He's great. But second, real talk, if you've seen PHP 8, Aaron Francis has a video on it. It's really like, it's actually pretty good. It's actually pretty good. I'm going to throw it out there. I think I actually think it's pretty good. The Aaron Francis? Yeah, the Aaron Francis. Hey, welcome to Costco. I love you. Again.